Hey guys, here's the paneer, freshly unwrapped, and I sliced a little bit out of it, and you wouldn't believe how creamy this is and how much it tastes like cheese. And all there is almonds and salt and curdled with lemon juice. But we're not going to leave it like this. Of course, if you have Indian recipes that call for paneer, this will be perfect for them, but just I'll be right back. I used one of these potato mashers. It's really stuck to the cheese with the circular holes to make these into little curds, and I mixed it up with a little bit of buttermilk blended with some cashews and just a pinch of xanthan gum to make it thick and creamy. And I made cottage cheese, vegan cottage cheese. And I was so happy when I figured this out, because I don't think anybody else sells any sort of like fresh cottage cheese, and cottage cheese was something I really, really missed. I already had a taste, but I'll take another one. It's the buttermilk that makes it taste like cottage cheese. Just a little bit of salt in there. It's like the cream from the cottage cheese. This is really good. If you miss cottage cheese, you should try this. Just don't over mash it. Just one pass through the potato masher to make the curds, and you'll have vegan cottage cheese. So the recipe will be on my blog, and I'll link it in the description along with yesterday's video or videos, the playlist, and I don't know, maybe I should start mentioning the fact that the comments are being disabled on a regular basis. I think at this point 2 out of 3 of my videos are having their comments disabled. It's getting really frustrating. Anyway, I hope you try this. It's very easy and it's very tasty. And I will see you later, guys.